Hello everyone, welcome to your lovable kitchen. Today I want to make crispy chicken sandwich. Stay tuned, it's where is my knife? Cut the chicken breast in half. Add a sliced lemon, buttermilk, and the spices including smoked paprika, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, coriander seeds, salt and black pepper to the chicken and massage it well. Leave it aside for 3 hours. Let's make a delicious topping. We need red cabbage, which you have to cut it very thinly. Cut the white cabbage like the red one. Use carrots for a more beautiful color. And add chili pepper for the spiciness of the salad. To complete the vegetables, add chopped parsley, which gives a good aroma. Now add mayonnaise, pineapple juice, white vinegar, black pepper and salt to the vegetables, and stir well. I'm crazy about it. For frying, use a combination of flour, cornstarch, paprika, salt and black pepper. Stick the cover well to the chicken so that it looks beautiful after cooking. You know that the oil must be hot. This is called golden brown. Let's start assembling this delicious monster. If you're angry with someone, make this sandwich for him. He'll definitely reconcile with you.